everyone, welcome back to my channel. मेरा नाम है जागृति and I am a second year BDS professional student. So this video is for all the freshers who have taken part in the counseling and have got admitted in the college. जिन्होंने BDS इस बार ले ली है, BDS को परस्यू कर रहे हैं या फिर जो BDS कोर्स में एडमिशन लेने वाले हैं, उन सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये वीडियो है. इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट ऑल द फर्स्ट ईयर बुक्स जो आपको खरीदनी है और जो आपको फर्स्ट ईयर में हेल्प करने वाली है. उन सारे बुक्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. सो लेट अस बिगिन दिस वीडियो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू. Okay, before knowing about the books, you must know how many subjects you have in your BDS course in your first year. So the first three subjects which I'm going to talk about, they are similar to MBBS. Like the first subject is anatomy, second is biochemistry, and the third is the physiology, human physiology. And the fourth subject, which is the basis of dentistry, that is your DADH, that is dental anatomy and dental histology. So in your first year, totally you have four subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, dental anatomy, dental histology. So we are going to know what all books you need to buy in your first year. So starting with anatomy. So anatomy basically is divided into four parts like head and neck, neuroanatomy, thorax and abdomen. So thorax, abdomen and limbs. From which we have to study, basically you have to majorly study about head and neck, basically because we have to work in the oral cavity. Once you go in third year and onwards, you have to work in the oral cavity on the tooth. So basically you should have all the ideas about the parts related to the head and neck thoroughly. You should know about everything in whatever is present in your head and neck. So this is the main subject of anatomy on which we are focused in first year. So let us see which books you require. First book is the Handbook of General Anatomy. So basically Handbook of General Anatomy of BDC, like BD Chaurasia, you have to buy. And I'll give the link in the description box. And second, you can see the book here. This Handbook of General Anatomy, this gives you a brief idea about all the systems present in your body, the positions of the body, and all the systems, skeletal system, blood circulatory system. You have to get a idea about all the system in this book. So very firstly, when you will come to the college, you have to start with this book. Teachers will teach you each and every chapter of this book so that you can get a knowledge about all the parts of your body before entering the main topic. So the first book is Handbook of General Anatomy, which you will have to buy. Second book is the Textbook of Anatomy, Head and Neck part. So you can refer to two authors, Vishram Singh or BD Chaurasia. There are two books for head and neck. Like in Vishram Singh, you will get head, neck and brain. The picture you can see here. And the second book is like head and neck for BDC, like BD Chaurasia. Both the books are very good. Go through the book. Like I personally refer Vishram Singh because I have studied throughout my first year from Vishram Singh. And if I have any doubt, I can... if I was having any doubt in any topic, I used to issue book from the library like BDC and I used to go through that. So both the books are very good. Go through the language and see which book you are comfortable with, the language of which book. I personally prefer Vishram Singh, but if you like BDC, the language is really very simple and it is really interesting. So you can go with BDC also. So second book is Textbook of Anatomy, Head and Neck, like for Vishram Singh and BD Chaurasia. So after head and neck, moving on to the next book, that is Atlas of Histology, like DiFiore. You can see it here. You have to buy this book in your first year because all the histological diagrams of anatomy are present here. All the body parts are present in this book. So you need to buy it because you have to draw the diagrams, you have to study the structures. So this book will be really very helpful. Moving on to the next topic, that is the embryology. For embryology part, you can buy the book from Langman or Inderbir Singh. So basically, I preferred using Langman. And language of Langman was a little bit difficult for me, but this book actually is very good. And second book is Inderbir Singh, book for Inderbir Singh, that is also good. So you can bring you will need this Langman for both dental anatomy and dental histology as well as general human anatomy. So this is a very must buy book. So moving on to next subject, that is biochem. In biochem you just need one book, that is Satyanarayan. So Satyanarayan, the language of Satyanarayan is really very easy. You have to go through it and you will find like it is really it is a vast book, but the the language is very very good. So you can buy one book, like this is the histology, this is the book for biochemistry. So moving on to the next subject, that is physiology. In physiology, basically in our college, in my college, my professor used to give us notes. From those notes only question used to come, and we used to study it from there only. At my time there was a practical book which we used to use, that was by the writer Komal Marwaha. And second most thing, or you can use the book for that is by the writer AK Jain. So the practical manual from for physiology, writers AK Jain, you can buy it. And moving on to the final and the most important subject, that is dental anatomy and dental histology. We have basically two books for dental anatomy, dental histology. First one is Wheeler's. Wheeler's is basically, you can see in the picture, Wheeler's is for dental anatomy, oral physiology and occlusion. So this is a book, must buy book, and you have to buy it in your first year. Second is the Orbans. So Orbans is the book for dental histology. This is also a must buy book, and you need to buy these two books like when you enter the college the very first day. Teachers will tell you, although on the first day there will be an orientation and teachers will tell you about which books and what are the instruments which you need to buy. But if you have a little interest in dentistry and you want to see what all topics you are going to cover in your first year, you can buy these books before also. And second thing, कि जितने भी बुक्स मैंने बताए हैं, लाइक स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम एनाटमी टू डेंटल एनाटमी एंड डेंटल हिस्टोलॉजी, दीज आर द मस्ट बाय बुक्स. सो एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू इंक्लूड हेयर इज लाइक इन डेंटल एनाटमी एंड डेंटल हिस्टोलॉजी देयर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एम्ब्रियोलॉजी also. So in that also Langman is required. That Langman is the book of embryology that is required for dental anatomy and dental histology. So basically these were the books. So there is a part of anatomy in which you have to study about thorax and abdomen. For those subjects, I would refer that you can issue the books from the library, or you can take printouts from those books, and you don't need to buy the complete set of books for thorax and abdomen, because very few questions come in your exams. So you can issue them from your library for thorax, abdomen, neuro, like these three parts. If you'll buy Vishram Singh, you'll get head, neck and brain in the neuroanatomy. Neuroanatomy is within that only. But if you are buying BDC, then you don't need to buy any book separately book for neuroanatomy. So you can take it, issue them from library, or take it from any of your seniors. These were the books which you will require in your first year. So do let me know if you have any further queries about the college books or anything about the course. I like to clear all your doubts. So these were the books which you require, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and be happy. अच्छे से पढ़ो और अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ को पूरी enjoy करना along with the studies, क्योंकि दिस कॉलेज लाइफ कम्स ओनली वंस इन योर लाइफ. एक बार आप कॉलेज से बाहर निकल जाते हो, आपको फर्दर कोर्सेज के लिए आगे जाना पड़ता है, MBS करने के लिए आप बाहर जाओगे, तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट दिस लाइफ अगेन. सो पढ़ाई भी उतनी ही ज़रूरी है और मस्ती भी उतनी ही ज़रूरी है, तो दोनों को बैलेंस करके आपको कॉलेज लाइफ में चलना पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ द वन थिंग जो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी. सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर. थैंक यू.